Show them how much you love them with Bob Martin.
The Underdog Project is an animal-assisted therapy organisation that works with at-risk teenagers and shelter dogs by using dog training activities and life skills workshops to benefit both parties.
The Underdog Project works with at-risk teenagers between the ages of 14 and 19 and with shelter dogs based at Dog in Hout Bay. We aim to motivate and inspire our young learners through the use of dog training and life skills workshops to reorient their lives and find their feet in the world. Just thinking about how our teenagers are expected to check their problems at the door and behave like model students when they are facing all of these issues. And these issues result in an extremely high dropout rate for teenagers, so a lot of our youth aren't finishing school. And Jenna also has a passion for animals and for shelter dogs, and so she came up with the concept of Underdog, which is really two sets of underdogs helping each other to build each other's lives.
Teens who are part of the project find it easier to communicate their problems through the dogs, improving their confidence, leadership and social skills.
Dogs allow children to communicate with them. Dogs allow children to lead the session, which improves self-esteem and confidence. Dogs provide unconditional emotional support. They are a social lubricant. They aid children who struggle to communicate and reduce anxiety.
The teenagers are also taught empathy and patience, as working with a shelter dog isn't always easy, but there's lots of love to share.
I enjoy coming to these classes because I love dogs and I'm learning them tricks and I want them to get a doctor. That's why I enjoy coming to these classes. I've learned how to respect dogs and how to work with dogs. And I've learned a lot of stuff also about dogs mustn't get abused. They must be looked after and cared about.
Well, I got involved just a few weeks ago because I love the kids and the dogs and being outdoors, and I love everything about it. And you see the improvement and everything they do. It's enjoyable, yeah.
It was nice to be selected to be a peer leader because I can learn other kids also how to train dogs, how to respect dogs, not to harm dogs, and how to talk to dogs and keep me off streets, because on the street funny things happen, going drugs and that stuff. But work with dogs is very good and it's a good activity.
The Underdog Project is more than just fresh air and training. The impact of the work is seen in both the children and the dogs' lives for years.
During the therapy sessions and after graduating from Underdog, we see our teenagers with increased sense of self-awareness, self-esteem and confidence, more able to empathize and have compassion, and more responsible in terms of the choices they make in their lives. And for shelter dogs, what our project does is reduce kennel stress and increase their social skills, which enhances their chances of being adopted.
It's great to see a project that benefits both human and dog, and we look forward to seeing these kids and their furry friends grow from strength to strength together.
Show them how much you love them with Bob Martin.